Sites. Now, we all hope that the PM recovers quickly. Let's move on now. The United Kingdom is dealing with an escalating crisis. The number of coronavirus cases and deaths is rising. Prime Minister Boris Johnson is, as of now, in the hospital. But the people of London couldn't be bothered less. They are out in large numbers. Some are even sunbathing. Our next report tells you more.
Prime Minister. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson tested positive for the Wuhan virus 10 days ago. He made the announcement himself, delivering this video message.
I must continue my self-isolation until...
You might think that with the Prime Minister in hospital, the people of England would be worried. If you did, you were wrong. This is what the people of England are up to. These are the parks in London, dotted with people, showing utter disregard for the risks involved. They were out for a sunbathe. Police officers were seen asking them to disperse. British Health Secretary Matt Hancock earlier said that they will impose further restrictions on outdoor exercise if people did not respect the rules.
Sunbathing is against the rules that have been set out for important public health reasons. I wish I didn't have to say this, but I do, because the whole country wants to come through this crisis.
The United Kingdom's death toll is touching 5,000. Restrictions are in place, but enforcement of the rules remains a huge concern. Many have cited how Boris Johnson himself paid no heed to the precautions and ended up where he is, in hospital. Before he tested positive, he had boasted about shaking hands with coronavirus patients. That didn't work out as planned.
No, well, Victoria, I can tell you that I'm shaking hands continuously. I was at a hospital the other night where I think there were actually a few coronavirus patients, and I shook hands with everybody. You'll be pleased to know, and I continue to shake hands. And I think it's very important that people obviously can make up their own minds. I think that Matt has said that people must make up their own minds, but I think the scientific evidence is, well, I'll hand over to the experts.
But the experts are worried. As for the people, they're confusing the lockdown with a vacation. Bureau